Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Right, okay, we have I have my design team package and I haven't looked at it yet. I've been fighting the urge to look at it, and yeah, so you'll be seeing it at the same time I'm seeing it. All I've done is open the box. Here we are. You're going to stay there? Here we are. So, all I'm going to do, if I can, is take it out of the box like that. It's packaged so beautifully. And here we are. So, I don't want to rip this, so I'm going to cut it. I normally just rip it, but yeah. I'm going to cut it like that. Dead simple. Oh, I put my scissors away properly, and then we're going to open it. What have we got in here? Right, so this card kit is called Victorian Treasures. So yeah, let's go through it. So we've got all these little baggies. So we have some gorgeous what's this called? It's not glitter. Sequins. So we've got some gorgeous sequins. So there's blues, there's peaches, there's silver, there's pinkies. Oh, I like that. Then we have a bag of some flat back pearls and some gorgeous, I think they're resin flowers. And some little daisy type pearly flowers there. So we have them. Ooh. And then we have some wooden bits. So yeah, these are roses. No, they're not roses. I don't actually know what type of plant that is, or flower. And it's got a tiny little hole in. So yeah, they could be little danglies, if you're doing a journal for a page or something. Beautiful. So we have them. Ooh, what are these? These are metal charms, and yeah, oh, they're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Look gorgeous on a bit of ribbon. Oh, they're gorgeous, them. I like them. So we have them. Beautiful. And then we have another bag. These are little plastic bows. And they've got like a pink to them. So we have them. Oh, they're gorgeous, them. Yeah, I think we have like white clear ones and pink clear ones in there. We have some more wooden bits. So we have some wooden frames. Lovely. I love the frames. I think, which one was it? There was enamel flame. No, there were resin frames. She's probably still got some in her shop, you know. Oh, beautiful. Wooden frames. Love them. And then we got an embellishment pack with trims. So we have these pearls. These pearls are gorgeous. I got some of these in another embellishment pack that I got from Dawn Shop. Amazing. We have a sequin trim. We have lace, and we have this gorgeous pink ribbon. Hope it's not too shiny for you. Sorry. And then we have some, I think they form, like Formarian. Is it Formarian? Something like that. Roses in pink, so they're beautiful then. So how many do you get in? You get 5 in the pack. This kit is amazing. And then you get, so what are these? Are these stickers? Let's have a look. There is so much in this pack. There's still so much to go as well. I don't think the stickers, just very thin paper, like mini. Oh, they're beautiful. Aren't they gorgeous? I'm hoping you can see them, me putting here. These are absolutely beautiful. little mini papers. Very thin as well, so it's like oh, what's it called? Oh, I can't remember what it's called, but not tracing paper. Like when you decoupage, like decoupage paper. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, gorgeous colours as well. So I'm just going to leave them there for now. Get rid of the plastic. Try not to glare you with anything. Then we get this awesome stamp set. Oh, I like this one. So we get a clock, a book, a pipe, a bottle. I think that's a music note. We get a ship, that's a ship. We get postage, stamp marks, hot air balloon, typewriter, an alarm clock, an old-fashioned car, and is it a fiddle or a violin? And then a frame stamp. They're brilliant, them. Brilliant. I like them. And then we get some of Dawn's handmade flowers. So they're all in white with this gorgeous pearl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gorgeous flowers there. We'll get to that ephemera pack in a minute. I just want to show you these little packs. So, butterflies. So we get, oh no, they're bows. Oh, they could be butterflies though. Like white plastic buttons. And then we get these butterfly stickers. Sorry, I'm going to have to open this one. So we get these. Oh, they're all different. Pink and purple. Oh, they're beautiful. Beautiful. I love my butterflies, as you know. Nearly everything has to have a butterfly on. And then we get some thank you round stickers with like flowers around the outside. Probably all different colours. I'm not going to get them out the packet. I'm going to leave them there. Right, so we have embellishments. And then we come to the big bits. Okay, so these look like stickers, flower stickers. Check them out the bag. Yeah, they're flower stickers. So you get 3 sheets. Oh, they're beautiful flowers, aren't they? So we get them. Gorgeous. I'm trying to show you, like, properly everything. Then we get an embellishment. Well, not an embellishment. It's an ephemera pack with what looks like thousands. It's not. So we get top hats, different colour bands on them. Oh, I love it. And then we get some old-fashioned shoes. Oh, we get some Victorian dresses. Oh, these are gorgeous, these, Dawn. We get some umbrellas. We get some bows. Quite a lot of bows. Oh, these are brilliant. Lots of different colours. Gorgeous. So we get them. I will package everything back up when I'm done. And then we get another ephemera pack, which looks like it's full of flowers. So I'm just going to put that on my knee so you can see. Let's open that up. Okay, so yeah, it's a flower embellishment pack. Them ones I've never seen before. These ones are from her florals. Yeah, I think they're from her florals. We have some leaves. They're cool ones, aren't they? Absolutely beautiful flowers. So we have the leaves as well to go with them. Gorgeous! And then we have this big pack. So I'm going to take everything out of that pack. I'm not going to fight with the packaging. I'm just going to put that to the side. And then we have these like bookmark type shape things. Ooh. So, oh, they're absolutely beautiful, aren't they? Gorgeous. So it looks like There might be, oh no, there's not. I thought there might have been 2 of everything, but they're all different. Oh, I like them. I like them. And they go so well. I mean, look at that. Look at that already. Oh, they go so well together. Right, I'll get to them papers in a minute. Right, so we have these gorgeous washi stickers of like Victorian ladies, Victorian children, Victorian lady, and the rest are all Victorian children. How cute are those? Beautiful. Then we get this gorgeous stencil with flourishes on. Goes that way, Claire. So we have flower flourishes. We have like corner flourishes. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm missing one. No, I think that's it actually. Ooh. Okay. Right, this is going to be shiny, but I have to show you. So we have, I think these are, let me just have a think. Vintage Treasures words? I think that's what they are. I might be right, I might be wrong, I don't know. But yeah, we get this, and it's like, sorry, I'm probably glaring at you so much. It's like an effervescent, shiny pink background with white writing. That is beautiful. Oh, I don't want to lose one of them. Just put it there so it's not shining at you. Then we get, oh, this is part 1 of Weird and Wonderful. Beautiful. I love this ephemera pack. So yeah, fussy cutting sheets, you get 6 different ones. Beautiful. I love them. I'm so glad she brought them out with this because I think they would go really, really well. Then we have some papers. So these look like, yeah, 6 by 6 maybe. Let me measure on my measure mat. Yeah, so these are 6 by 6 papers, and these match like the bookmark shape ones. So we have these. You're probably not even seeing any of these, but I'm showing you anyway. I'm just going to carry on. Aren't they just beautiful? I'm trying to show you in all their glory. I'm just covering everything else up, aren't I? So you get 2, 4, 6, 8. You get 9 sheets of the 6 by 6 papers. Oh, why are you stuck on that? Ugh. You get a gorgeous piece of, I'm going to say, rose gold glitter. That's what I'm going to say. I think it's 5 by 7. Let me. 8 1/4 by 6. So this one is 8 1/4 by 6. So we have that, and then we have some A4 pieces of card. So, ooh, I like. Obviously, we have purple. Is there 2 sheets there? Oh, that's very thick card. Then we have a black. We have a pink. We have a green, and then we have a white. I think that might be Copic friendly. I'm not sure. And look what we've got. Look what we've got. We have got Brights from her first kit that came with her Vintage Treasures. So we have the Brights Treasures. Oh, I think they go so well. Let me just, sorry. I need to do this. I need to do this. Where is it? Let's get some bits down. So, even with the first sheet, I mean, they go so well. And look at that already. I mean, that could be on a tag or even on a card with a sentiment across. and it sort of like brings the paper in a little bit. I like that a lot. I really, really do. So I'm going to go through them anyway. So we get this one. Then we get this one. And we get my favourite purple with the clock on. Get the bit with the flowers. You get the pink one with the clock on. Beautiful. I love the bubble effect. And then we get that one. So let me try and organise this a little bit for you. So this is Victorian Treasures, which is Dawn's March kit, which should be available now. So from the 1st of March onwards, there will probably be some sneak peeks. I know as soon as I finish doing this video, I'm going to have a play. I always like to do my unboxing first before I start cutting up on anything. Just so, I love that word shape. Gorgeous. Just so I can show you everything intact. And yeah, I can't wait to play with these. I've got so many ideas running through my head. I really, really have. Wow, I'm going to have to organise, write things down and go from there, I think. Yeah, because this is just a gorgeous kit. Love it. Right, there's a couple of things that I need to tell you about this kit. It might not be everything, so please go over to Dawn's Unboxing. She will have more information for you. But I have the ephemera and the papers can be sold separately. So the ephemera will be these bits here, and the flowers. I'm guessing wherever. Oh my, where have I put the flowers? Did I take them out of the bag? I did, didn't I? I did. Where did I put them? There they are. I'll just bring a few out. So the ephemera can be sold separately, and also the papers can be sold separately as well, and you will get 3 of each of the papers. In the card kit, you only get 1 of each. So there's that. And I think that's all there is for me to tell you. So yeah, only that. I've just noticed this is her 12th kit. Can you believe? Well, her 12th release. I don't think it's her 12th kit, but yeah, she has. I've got my book here in front of me, because she has other releases along with her kits. So she has a digitals, and she has a one-offs as well. So yeah, but this is release number 12. Can you believe it? Wow, absolutely amazing. You've outdone yourself again, Dawn. I love everything in it. Yeah, everything will be in the description box below, so please go and check that out. And also go and check out the other design team members. Absolutely amazing work they're doing. Yeah, that's it. That's all I've got to say. I'm going to go and play now. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this gorgeous, gorgeous kit. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in another video very soon. Bye-bye for now.